To make the paper star, we will take a square in whichever color we want. It doesn't matter which size, as long as it is a square. I have a square here of 20 by 20 centimeters, and I'm using normal, simple colored paper in yellow color. First, we will fold this paper over in half. Now next, we will fold and put this point till here in the middle. And we will fold it here on this point. After having done so, we'll take this piece which is out of this fold line here, this piece, we'll fold it over this fold line like this, and the other side we'll fold it over this fold line. We'll simply fold it in half and bring it over. And now it's time to cut. Depending on our cut and how sharp our cut will be, depending on the angle, our star will be different in shape. So now we are going to cut from this edge here, depending on how sharp you want the star. And now we will open it up to see our star. It's very simple, very easy, and we used only one cut to make this. Let me know in the comment section below how you did like this DIY. If you did like it, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Do check out the other decorations on my channel. I have many other decoration ideas, and I'm sure you'll find something awesome to make your occasion special.